Welcome to Debunked. In this video I will be showing you 5 popular Mandela effects, and explaining why we think we remember these things being a certain way. The first one is about Pringles, the popular crisp brand. After hearing this you won't be able to stop watching because once you pop, you can't stop. Anyway, what flavor do you think these are? Sour cream and chive, right? My favorite. If you thought this too, you're wrong because they're actually sour cream and onion flavor. In fact, Pringles has never even made a sour cream and chive flavor. What the f? Not to worry, because I have managed to debunk this one. Sour cream and chive is a very common dip, and it is the flavor used by a lot of other brands. This is where the confusion is coming from. This second one is about 7-Up, the lemon-lime flavored non-caffeinated soft drink. You all know this, right? Well, many people are saying that they remember the logo having a hyphen between 7 and up, but this is not true. You can even look back on the logo history, it was never there. Well, after some looking around I found this old logo, and the word up was underlined, which could have easily been mistaken for a hyphen. The third one is about Sex and the City, the American romantic comedy drama television series. I have to be honest, this one got me at first, but apparently it is actually not Sex and the City, but Sex and the City. Weird. My first answer to this was pretty simple, and it was just that when saying Sex and the City quickly it can easily sound like in, but that didn't do it for me, so I had to dig further, and of course, I managed to debunk. There was actually a knockoff scent called Sex and the City, which was the most counterfeited scent in 2011, so it is very likely that many of us had seen this around. Before we get into the fourth one, please hit subscribe and smash the like button, if you are enjoying this video, of course. Now this one is about the Wizard of Oz, but this time not the Tin Man, the Scarecrow. Apparently he had a gun. What the f? Don't shoot. Do you remember this? Don't worry if you don't, because this comes down to low VHS quality, so the gun can be hard to notice if you are not aware of it. Also, he didn't have the gun in a lot of the scenes, there was only a few short ones. Easy to miss. Last but not least, is about Cinderella. But wait, she looks different. Why is her hair yellow, and her dress blue? Because this is not what I remember, nor do many other people. Even the toys are like this. I remember her more like this, with strawberry blonde hair, wearing a white dress. Am I dreaming? The answer is no, because this is not even a real Mandela effect, and in the original 1950 Disney movie, her hair was how most of us remember it. Every time the movie was remastered, for example the DVD or the Blu-ray versions, they recolored her dress so it was more blue, and hair more yellow. That's it for today, and thanks for watching. I have many more Mandela effects to debunk and will be regularly creating videos for you to enjoy and learn from. Please do remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and turn your notification bells on so that you never miss out on a video.